portable refractometer. Here's what it looks like. This is to measure how much sugar content we have in our grapes. I mean, look at these grapes. They're looking outstanding. Nice little berry there. And all you do, you should take this, you put a drop right on the little blue screen there, and you flip this down, and you can see it's spread across. And then, very good. You look up at the sky a little bit, it will tell you what the number is. Let me try and put this up against your thing there. Can you see that? There you go. See that right there? It'll tell you what the content level of sugar is. And it's reading like somewhere between a 15 and a 20, like 17 and a half. And that will determine how much alcohol it would produce if the yeast ate all of the sugar up. So we're going to give these a few more days. I'd like to get up to 24. But we got pretty close last year. I think we were at 22. It's a great little product. I use it every year. I've had it for years. Just give it a wipe off. And it has a few other little things that come in the kit. It's got this little squeegee for sucking up juice and putting it on there. If you had, you know, like a big vat of grape juice or apple juice. I do cider too, so it's got a little tiny screwdriver in case you need to do any adjustments. All in all, I haven't had to do anything. It works great every year. So there you go. Super happy with it. Love it. I mean, they're looking outstanding. Good harvest, or a good crop, I should say. Very, very nice crop this year.